Good day, math learners! It's time again for fun, exciting, interesting, and challenging lesson. Today, we will be learning together about adding and subtracting polynomials. Before we proceed to our main lesson, let us have this one. I want to share to you one of my conversations with one of my students. That's Maria, and that's me. Hello, Maria. How are you? I am fine, ma'am. Thank you. What are you holding? Fruits and vegetables, ma'am, for my parents. Oh, you're so sweet and loving. Keep it up, Maria. Yes, ma'am. I love them and will always take care of them. Take care of yourself too, Maria, and study hard. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. That is Maria. Are you like Maria? Kind, loving, respectful, industrious, God-fearing. Let us all be like Maria. Maria, as we all know, is holding a basket of fruits and vegetables. If Maria's basket contained 5 mangoes, 2 lemons, 4 carrots, and 1 squash, how many are fruits and vegetables does she have? Maria have 7 fruits and 5 vegetables. This problem has something in common with our lesson today. Adding and subtracting polynomials. Before we proceed to our main lesson, let us have a short recall on what we have had yesterday about polynomials. Are you ready? Okay. So, which of the following is a polynomial? X raised to 1/2, 3x squared plus 4, 5x raised to negative 2. Which is a polynomial? The answer is 3x squared plus 4. Correct. Okay, remember that polynomial is an algebraic expression where each term is a constant, a variable, or a product of a constant and variable. The exponent of the variable is not a negative or a fraction. The variable is not inside the radical sign and not in the denominator. So that's polynomial. Okay, let's have another. What kind of polynomial consists of one term? Is it monomial, binomial, or trinomial? The answer is monomial. Very good. Okay, remember that monomial is a polynomial consisting of only one term. Example, a constant 3, a variable x, a product of a variable and a constant. We have 2a. So that's monomial. Here's another. Which of the following is a binomial? For x, x cubed minus y, x squared minus 4x plus 4. It is x cubed minus y. Very good. Remember that binomial is an algebraic expression of the sum or difference of 2 terms. One last. X cubed minus 5x squared plus 3. Is it an example of a trinomial, binomial, monomial? Count the terms. So, that is an example of trinomial. Correct. Remember that trinomial is an algebraic expression consisting of 3 terms. Do not forget our lesson about polynomials because we will be using it in our lesson today. Alright? Our objectives into this lesson are, we have the first one. Understand the rules in adding and subtracting polynomials. We find the sum and difference of polynomials. And here are the rules in adding and subtracting polynomials. To add polynomials, we simply add any like terms together. To subtract polynomials, we simply change the sign of each term in the subtrahend, then proceed to the rule in addition. Remember those rules because we will use it in finding the sum and difference of polynomials. Okay. In order for us to add or subtract polynomials, it's important to understand like terms. Like terms or similar terms have the same variable with the same exponent or with the same literal coefficient. Example, 7x and negative 2x. X in 7x, x in negative 2x are what we call the literal coefficients. The literal coefficient of x, the exponent is 1. If they have the same literal coefficient and same exponent, then we can say that our terms are like terms. Okay, let's have another. 3ab squared and negative 6ab squared. The literal coefficient for each term is ab. What's the exponent of a for 3ab squared? It's 1. What's the exponent of b? It's 2. They are the same. So, those terms are like terms. We will be using it in our lesson today. For adding all polynomials, let's have an example. 2a plus 3a. Take a look. Are these two terms like terms? Yes. Okay, so what will we do? If they have same literal coefficient with same exponent, we will just add only the numerical coefficient. So the numerical coefficients of 2a and 3a, we have 2 and 3. Combine it, so 2 plus 3, we have 5, then affects a. That's the sum of 2a plus 3a. Okay, let's continue. Let's have another. 2x plus 7 plus 3x plus 4. The first thing we must do is to remove the grouping symbols, the parentheses. So we have 2x plus 7 plus 3x plus 4. After that, we have to place like terms together. So like terms, 2x plus 3x, 4, and 7. Then, add only the numerical coefficient, 2 plus 3. Then we have the constant, 4 plus 7. So, the sum is 5x plus 11. I hope that you are following. Let's have another. How to add trinomials. So, here we have 4y squared plus 3y plus 5. And 2y squared minus 6y minus 8. Class, we can add also vertically. So, we can do it this way. Align like terms vertically. Then, after aligning those terms, we will proceed to addition. Okay? Add only the numerical coefficient. So, we can start from the left or from the right. So, we have here 4y squared plus 2y squared. It is 6y squared, correct? 3y plus negative 6y. That is negative 3y. 5 plus negative 8. That is negative 3. So, our sum is 6y squared minus 3y minus 3. Okay? So, congrats to those who have understood addition of polynomials. Now, let us proceed to subtraction of polynomials. How to subtract? Okay, here's an example. 9x minus 4x. These are like terms. So, the first thing that we have to do is to change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. So, the first is 9x. You copy that. Then, the subtrahend is 4x. You change the sign. That becomes negative 4x. After changing the subtrahend, we also change the minus sign into plus. So, we have now here, add the numerical coefficients. 9 plus negative 4. That is 5. Affects x. So, very simple. Let's have another. 10a plus 5 minus 7a minus 6. So, again, change the sign of each term in the subtrahend and proceed to addition. We have to copy the first binomial, 10a plus 5. Then change 7a into negative 7a, negative 6 into positive 6. Then add the numerical coefficients. 10 plus negative 7. Then we have 5 plus 6 for the constant. So, the difference now is 3a plus 11. Okay, so one last example. Let us try a vertical solution to this example. 5x squared plus 4x minus 11 minus 7x squared minus 9x plus 3. So the first that we have to do is align like terms vertically, like that one. Then after aligning, we have to change the sign of each term in the subtrahend. So we have 7x squared, that becomes negative 7x squared. Negative 9x, that becomes 9x. Positive 3 becomes negative 3. Then change the sign of the minus into plus. Then proceed to addition. So we have 5 plus negative 7. We have negative 2x squared. 4x plus 9x, 13x. Negative 11 plus negative 3, it is negative 14. So that is the difference of 5x squared plus 4x minus 11 and 7x squared minus 9x plus 3. Congratulations to those who have understood our lesson. Let us continue. Okay, let's find out if you really understood it or not. Okay, so let's have a short activity. Are you ready? I know you can do it. Okay, what is the sum of 5a squared and 4a squared? Remember the rules. Remember what we have learned today. So, is it 9a to the 4th? 9a squared or 20a squared? What is the sum? It is 9a squared. Very good. Okay, let's have another. Which of the following gives a difference of 3x squared plus 4? Plus 2 rather. Okay, is it 5x squared plus 4 minus 2x squared plus 2? Or 5x squared plus 4 plus 2x squared minus 2? Or 5x squared plus 4 minus negative 2x squared minus 2? Okay, come on. The answer is letter A, 5x squared plus 4 minus 2x squared plus 2. That will give a difference of 3x squared plus 2. Congratulations, everyone. Okay, so before I end up, I want to share to you this one. Success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, loving of what you are doing or learning to do. This is your teacher, Maricel, saying thank you for learning with me. Good luck and God bless everyone.